Principal Thobakgale's depression leaves Twitter in their feels. It's been a while since Twitter checked in on Principal Thobakgale. With all this Konotulobala drama and the undying Noah storyline, the poor principal has been ignored, but not anymore. After Tweeps saw the state in which the former principal of Turf High was in, they felt guilty for abandoning MMA Thobakgale. Lizzie's visit showed Tweeps that MMA Thobakgale's stress was turning into depression and that the woman was clearly in no state to stay alone. They found out that all she does on a daily basis is wake up, eat and lay on the sofa thinking about her life. Lizzie's shock at the stench in her mother's house and all the dirt that surrounded her, left Twitter even more worried. Some even said perhaps Lizzie should move back home with her mom. Tweeps can't wait for the day Principal Thobakgale returns for vengeance. Her depressed phase is sucking the life out of them too. They had the memes.